Breathe in slowly, imagining your breath is not yours alone, but drawn from the lungs of ancestors, the wind over mountains, the sigh of the sea. On the exhale, release a soft tone, not from voice, but from presence. Let it float like mist across invisible threads. Whisper, I am not alone. Wait, listen. Feel the field respond. No wall exists between your skin and mine. No border drawn by time or sign. The air you breathe once filled my chest. The blood you carry knew my rest. A child in the light, a sage in night, a whale below, a star in flight, all pulse within one living stream, one dream that flows, one soul that dreams. You think you stand on separate ground, look deep, the roots are all around, not yours, not mine, our shared domain, where loss and love are not in vain. For when you weep, I taste the salt, when joy rises, I feel exiles. We are not two, we never were, just one light wearing many forms. Falling inside us, sonum kirimayen. Not apart, not far, not gone. We are the web, we are the song. E-Ha-Rah. To friend, heart to flame, every name is still the same. Falling inside us, sonum kirimayen. Not apart, not far, not gone. We are the web, we are the song. Rises at a face you fear, pause and ask, does this not me here? That rage, that pain, that hardened shell was once my own before I healed. When greed consumes another's hand, do not condemn, just understand. They forgot the web, they lost the thread, but still they breathe the life we share. Even those who cause great harm are fractured sparks of cosmic charm. They spear in dark, not knowing they are loved by all, even to dirty soul. Oh, no grudge, no lasting war, just send that light from where you are. Say, I see you are caught in coding yourself as separate. Feel it. The thread connecting your heart to the mother nursing her child in Lemuria's dream, to the elder under African stars, to the dolphins singing in midnight seas, to the future child who will read your name in light. You are not isolated. You are woven, and in that knowing, peace arrives. Not because the world changed, because you remember. The sun ends, but the web remains alive, pulsing, eternal.